When planning your meals, aim to include adequate fiber from whole grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables. Protein sources such as lean meats, poultry, fish, tofu, or legumes will help keep you feeling full and satisfied. Opt for healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil to support heart health and brain function. Meal planning is key to incorporating variety into your weekly menu. To make sure you are getting a wide range of nutrients, include different types of proteins, grains, fruits, and vegetables throughout the week. Rotate between lean proteins like chicken, fish, and plant-based options to ensure a balance of vital amino acids. Busy weeknights can make cooking a healthy meal feel like a daunting task. To help make dinner preparation easier, utilize time-saving cooking techniques. One of the most efficient methods is meal prepping on the weekend. This involves chopping vegetables, marinating proteins, and pre-cooking grains in advance. Having these components ready to go can significantly cut down on cooking time during the week. Another helpful technique is one-pot cooking. By combining all the ingredients in a single pot or pan, you can save time on both cooking and cleanup. Stir-fries, soups, and casseroles are great examples of dishes that can be made using this method. To make this dish, preheat the oven, place the salmon and vegetables on a sheet pan, drizzle with olive oil, sprinkle with herbs and spices, and bake until the salmon is cooked through and the vegetables are tender. This recipe is not only quick and easy to make, but also packed with nutrients from the salmon and veggies. Another healthy dinner option is quinoa stuffed bell peppers. To make this dish, slice the tops off the bell peppers, remove the seeds, fill them with a mixture of cooked quinoa, black beans, corn, salsa, and cheese, then bake until the peppers are tender. This recipe is vegetarian, high in protein, and fiber-rich, making it a satisfying and nutritious meal. For an even easier cooking experience, consider using a slow cooker or instant pot for your weekday dinners. These appliances can help you save time and effort while still preparing delicious and healthy meals for your family. Unlike unhealthy additives like excess salt or sugar, herbs and spices are a great way to enhance the taste of your dishes without compromising on health. An array of flavors can be achieved by incorporating different herbs and spices into your cooking. Fresh herbs like basil, cilantro, and mint can bring a burst of freshness to your meals, while spices such as cumin, paprika, and turmeric can add depth and complexity. Experiment with different combinations to find what works best for your taste buds. An easy way to start is by adding herbs and spices gradually to avoid overpowering your dish. Be mindful of, a little goes a long way when it comes to flavoring with herbs and spices. Keeping your meals low in sodium doesn't have to mean sacrificing taste. By using alternative flavor enhancers, you can still create delicious and satisfying dishes. Opt for herbs, spices, citrus juices, and vinegar to add flavor without the need for excessive salt. Incorporating ingredients like garlic, onion, and ginger can also elevate the taste of your dishes naturally. Anytime you use pre-packaged ingredients, be sure to check the nutrition labels for sodium content. Choose low sodium or no salt added options whenever possible to keep your overall intake in check. Experiment with different flavor profiles to keep your meals exciting and flavorful without relying on salt as a crutch. Sign up for new recipes weekly. Check out new highlights from next week's menu. Dinner recipes are important as they help in providing nutritious meals that are necessary for maintaining good health and well-being. Preparing healthy food recipes can help in weight management, improving energy levels, and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. You can find easy dinner recipes online in cookbooks or by using meal planning apps that offer a variety of quick and simple meal ideas. Key ingredients to include in healthy dinner recipes are lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats like olive oil or nuts. To make meal preparation more efficient, you can plan your meals ahead of time, use kitchen tools like slow cookers or instant pots, and prepare ingredients in batches. Quick meals for fast lifestyle. We all want a good meal that's quick and good for us. That's where this vegan chickpea and vegetable stir-fry comes in. A colorful, tasty, and incredibly simple, easy dinner ready in minutes. The really best part, it's loaded with protein-packed chickpeas and various fresh mixed vegetables, perfectly blended with the delightful flavors of soy sauce and a touch of maple syrup. Ingredients: 1 can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed, 2 cups of mixed vegetables. Think bell peppers, broccoli, and snow peas. 1 thinly sliced onion, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce or tamari for a gluten-free option, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, cooked brown rice or quinoa for serving. Step 1. Getting you started. Begin by heating your trusty skillet over medium-high heat. Add a bit of sesame oil and let it warm up. Your kitchen will soon be filled with an inviting aroma. Step 2. A flavorful fresh start toss in those thinly sliced onions and minced garlic. Sauté them for about 2-3 minutes until they become wonderfully fragrant. This is where the magic begins. Step 3. Adding a mix of color. Now, introduce the mixed vegetables to the sizzling pan. Think bell peppers, broccoli, and snow peas. A burst of colors and nutrition. Continue to cook for another 5-7 minutes until they reach that delightful tender crisp stage. Step 4. Chickpea power. Next up, it's time for the show's star, the chickpeas. Along with them, add the soy sauce or tamari if you're going the gluten-free route, and a hint of maple syrup. Give everything a good stir and let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Watch as the chickpeas soak up those savory, sweet, and slightly tangy flavors. Step 5. The perfect ratio combo. Your vegan chickpea and vegetable stir-fry is ready to shine. Serve it generously over cooked brown rice or quinoa, and you've got a hearty, nutritious, and entirely vegan meal filled with essential nutrients and plant-based protein. Make it yours fast. The beauty of this vegan recipe is its adaptability. Feel free to swap out the veggies to your liking, add tofu or tempeh for extra protein, or adjust the sauce to your taste. It's your vegan stir-fry customized just for you. So the next time you want a quick, satisfying, and wholesome vegan dinner, remember this vegan chickpea and vegetable stir-fry. It's a colorful, flavorful, and fuss-free option that can add some excitement to your vegan evenings. Enjoy! It can be a challenge to find a vegan-friendly meal that's both quick and nourishing. That's where this vegan chickpea and vegetable stir-fry comes in. A colorful, flavorful, and effortlessly wholesome dinner ready in a flash. 1 can 15 oz chickpeas drained and rinsed 2 cups mixed vegetables, e.g. bell peppers, broccoli, snow peas. 1 onion thinly sliced, 2 cloves garlic minced, 2 tablespoons soy sauce or tamari for gluten-free, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, cooked brown rice or quinoa for serving. Heat sesame oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add onions and garlic, stir-fry for 2 to 3 minutes until fragrant. Add mixed vegetables and continue to stir-fry for 5 to 7 minutes until they are tender crisp. Stir in chickpeas, soy sauce, and maple syrup. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Serve over cooked brown rice or quinoa. Get creative with your vegetable choices. You can use whatever's in season or in your fridge. For an extra protein boost, try adding some tempeh or tofu to the stir-fry. Customize the level of sweetness and saltiness by adjusting the amount of maple syrup and soy sauce to your taste. This dish is great for meal prep. Make a big batch and enjoy it for several meals during the week. Experiment with different grains like quinoa, brown rice, or even noodles for serving variety. Enjoy your vegan chickpea and vegetable stir-fry. Prep time: 10 minutes mines, cook time 20 minutes mins, course dinner, lunch mains. Servings 4 calories, 240 calories.